The Fabulous Marketer Show Season 1 continues. Hey, Fabulous Marketers. Welcome back to the Fabulous Marketer Show. I'm your host, Kelsey Simon, and this is episode 7, Launch Your Content Engine. If you're ready to finally get consistent with your content without feeling like you have to become a 24/7 influencer, today's episode is for you. Let's talk about the number one thing that's holding most affiliates back. You know what that is? It's inconsistent content. Maybe you're not sure what to post, or maybe you feel like you have to post everywhere to matter. Today, we're simplifying everything. You only need 3 things to launch your engine. First, a content plan. Second, a calendar. And finally, a repurposing system. Let's break it down. So here's the breakdown of the content engine. First off, you need a plan. All right, this is your message. This is your niche. This is the type of value driven content that you are creating and publishing. Second, you need a schedule. This is your posting rhythm and your content themes. And then finally, you want to reuse the content that you publish. We call this systems. Systems for repurposing across multiple platforms. If you're in the flea journey inside of the Fabulous Marketer Academy, this is a stage 3 skill. We're building consistency and authority. Okay, inside the resources vault, inside the Fabulous Marketer Academy, you'll get 5 tools to build your engine. The first tool is the Content Engine Launch Planner. Then you'll get the 30-day content calendar templates, the content hooks cheat sheet, the persona aligned content kit, and then finally, the repurpose map worksheet. Let's walk through each of them today. As you look below, you'll find access to each one of those that I mentioned. But inside of segment 3, our coaches corner, let's talk about how coaches plan content fast. All right. And that occurs by use of many of the tools that's inside of our resources vault that I'm sharing with you today, that you'll be able to get access to. So do you want to know what the top affiliates are doing? Well, here's what they're doing. They're batching themes. They're using templates, and they're leaning into their strengths. These are what the best affiliate entrepreneurs and best affiliate coaches are doing. If you're a builder, for example, batch video tutorials. If you're a promoter, lean into short form or live video. If you're a teacher, use carousel posts and emails. If you're an automator, curate content with lead magnets. This is what the best of them are doing. The content kit that I share with you from the last segment where we just talked about the whole list of the 5 tools, the content kit will guide you based on your flea persona. And that's what you want, persona aligned growth. In segment 4, let's talk about audience interaction. Let's build it together. I want you to tell me in the comments below, what's one platform you feel most comfortable creating on? And what's one platform you want to be seen on more? This is your visibility. I want I want you to just think for a second. If you was to start where you shine and build where you grow, how would this make a difference with how you engage your audience and interact with them? You know what? We can truly make content creation fun again. But you have to think about where you are most comfortable, like where you want to create, where you want to publish, where do you want to promote? What is the platform of choice for you based on your persona? Where do you want to shine? Where do you want to grow? All right, so let's wrap up today's episode. I want to encourage you to grab the full resource vault kit below. And don't forget to complete your content engine launch planner within the next couple of days. Then hop inside the community, since you're already going to be in the community, because that's how you're going to access all of these tools that I'm mentioning to you. While you're there, I want you to share your most liked post idea from the hooks cheat sheet that you get access to. Your engine is ready to go. It's time to fire it up. Get it fired up. Yep, fire it up. And guess what? Afterwards, you'll be on your way. All right. And then I'll be able to see you in the next episode, which is episode number 8 of the Fabulous Marketer Show. All right. Keep your marketing simple. Keep your marketing fun. Keep your marketing free. See you next time. Be fabulous.